In this video, we shall learn about grammar on the go. And here we shall learn very particularly about nominalization. So what is nominalization? Converting or changing from one part of speech to noun form is known as nominalization. So, an adjective or a verb can be converted or changed to noun form. That is known as nominalization. Let us see an example for better understanding. Happy, happiness. So here the word happy is an adjective and it is converted to noun form as happiness. Let us take one more example. Fly, flight. Here the word fly is a verb and it is converted, changed to noun form as flight. And this is known as nominalization. All right. Now, we shall discuss commonly confused prepositions. So we know definition of prepositions, we know types of prepositions, but when we use them in our day-to-day lives, we tend to commit errors. We commit mistakes terribly. So let us not be confused and let us not make mistake. Firstly, let us see use of for and since. For is used when the duration or span of an action is being referred to. For examples, I have known the truth for a long time. Here, preposition for refers to a duration, a time, but it is not definite time. It is not particular time. Okay? Let us see one more example. For how long have you been waiting here? Here, the word for refers to a time, a duration. Here, preposition for does not refer to a particular time, a definite time. Okay? Let us see the use of since. Since is used to show when an action started. For examples, I have been studying since 5 o'clock. Here the preposition since refers to a time, but here it shows a definite time, a particular time, that is 5 o'clock. An action began at 5 o'clock. Okay. Let us see one more example. They have been away since the 1st of the month. Here also since refers, shows when an action began. It shows a definite time, a particular time. Okay? Students, you must remember we usually use since and for in present perfect continuous tense and also past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now let us see the use of during and while. So during is used to suggest the entire duration for which an action takes place. For examples, we played for long hours during our summer holidays. So here the preposition during refers to entire duration, complete duration. So it is not half duration. Okay, let us see one more example. There was pin drop silence in the hall during the principal's speech. So here during refers to entire duration, entire time. For example, suppose principal gave 1 hour of speech. So 1 hour, during 1 hour everyone kept silent. Okay. Let us see the use of while. While is used to talk about an action that takes place simultaneously with another action. For example, we sat in silence while we were addressed by the teacher. So here the word while is used to talk about an action taking place together simultaneously. Here two actions taking place, that is sitting and the other one is addressing. Okay. And lastly, let us see the use of until and by. Until denotes the continuation of an action till a certain point in time. For examples, wait for me until I return. So here the word preposition until denotes the continuation of an action. It refers to an action that is in continuation, that is in progress. Let us take another example. Until I give the signal, do not start running. So here also it refers to continuation of an action. Okay, it refers to an action which is in progress. It is not completed, it is going on. Now let us see the use of by. By refers to the time within which an action is completed. For example, I will be done with this project by next Monday. So here the word by refers to the time within which an action will be completed. In this video, we have learned about nominalization. Secondly, we have discussed commonly confused prepositions, just like for and since, during and while, and then until and by. Okay.